Hey guys, welcome to our algorithm. Today we want to still look at Indeed.com. Yesterday I was trying to do something on Indeed.com, but I ended up not finishing it because I talked too much about bug. But let's see what we go. This is my first time tackling Indeed, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get any bugs. But we'll see. Just watch till the end and let's see what we will do today. Hope you follow something or you learn something from this. So let's get to it. So Control Alt T will bring on my terminal. Then I'll cd into my documents folder, the stash folder. Then Indeed. Then we just enter. So if we ls, so what we did yesterday, we took the assets. That was, let me just cut that. Assets, we took the Indeed.com and Indeedflex.com. That's what we took yesterday. We passed them through the subfinder to find the subdomains, which the subdomains are in here. And then on those subdomains, we sorted them out to get the 200 live ones. And so after that, sorry about that. So we collected the subdomains, then we sorted them out to get the fixed subdomains. Then after finding the fixed subdomains, we crawled them. So this crawl, the time I ended up that the other video, it didn't finish, but it finished up later on. So if I cut that crawled, so 1.1 points crawled, this is everything that was crawled yesterday. If you can see everything that's passing through, you'll see that most of the links are alike. They just have like one difference at the end, and so we want to sort them out. That's the first thing that I want to do. So I don't really know even how much they are, but let's see. Let's just wait for it to finish up, then we'll see how many they are. So, or can I just stop this? Yes, I can stop it. So if I clear, then I cut just what I've done. Then I pass it through the word count just to know how many links there are. There are 1,206,350 links. So on that, most of the links do look alike. So we want to sort them out. So I'm going to cut again. Then after cutting them, I'm going to use Euro, whatever you want to call it. This will sort out, like, let's say if there's Indeed.com/accounts equals to 100 and there's Indeed.com/account equals to 200. It will only take the first one, Indeed.com/account equals to 100, and remove the rest. That's the function of Euro. So Euro, then we're going to anew them into, let's just say sorted crawl .txt. I think this is going to be 1.2. So this is supposed to be txt. Then we run it. So this will go through those 1 million links, then sort them out and sort them out into the sorted crawl.txt. So I'm going to wait for that. And on that, while it's still going on, I'm going back to BugCrowd to look if we have any links that are out of scope. Let's see, Indeed.com. These are the secondary targets. Rewards, reporting. Okay. And also here on the target overview, if you didn't find some other links, maybe through the crawl, you can also check here, like the portal. Maybe let's see if I cut, sorry. Let's see, Control Alt T. Then we cd into the Indeed. Then we cut the subdomains here. You can see even some of these in here, like portal or Indeedflex.com or agency. They are not here. Oh, agency demo is here. admin demo is here. What else is here? But if they aren't here, we can even take time to go through them. We put them here and crawl them. I don't know if I want to do that right now. But let's see. If I don't find something in the ones that I have now, I'll come back to this here. So I don't think there's anything that's out of scope. Everything under Indeed.com and Indeedflex.com is in scope. So I'll go back into the terminal. I'm going to cancel this one. So in here it has finished. The URL has finished. So if I cut, let me just clear. If I cut the sorted, so 1.2, the sorted crawl.txt, then I do the word count. Remember the other one was 1,000,000 links. So let's see after URL what has happened. So it has happened to 548,790, of which all of these I'm not sure if all of them are live. So on that, I'm going to run HTTPX on this. So I'm going to just close this, then run HTTPX. I just want the status code. Then I'll save it out to recrawl. Recrawl.txt. So this is going to be 1.2, not recrawl. This is going to be sorted. Let me just say sorted HTTPX results. Then I'm going to run it. So HTTPX is going to go through those 548,000 links to try and find the ones that are live. As you can see, most of them are just redirects. Most of them are redirects, and there's some 4.3 ones. Oh, I don't think my URL worked. And how come I'm still in HTTP? The HTTP ones are out of scope, so I'm going to remove them. I'm just going to cancel this first. So clear. I'm sorry. So clear. So I don't know why I still have HTTP on it. So I'm going to cut again. And what am I cutting? The 1.2 sorted crawl. And then I'm going to grep out -v, the HTTP, not HTTPS, the HTTP ones, since they're out of scope. And then save them to 1.2.http links. Sorry. HTTPS links.txt. So remember, always look at what's in scope. The reason why I'm saying HTTP links are out of scope, it's because if you come here, we have been given HTTPS stroke and then the star, then Indeed.com. If they wanted us to do everything on Indeed.com, they would have not kept this HTTPS. They would have just left it as star.indeed.com and star.indeedflex.com. So we have to grab them out or to cut them out and save out the HTTPS ones. So if I run it, no, shoot. I'm supposed to write here a new, then run it. So as you can see here, we only have the HTTPS ones remaining. So that's finished. So if I cut the 1.2 this, then I do the word count -L. We're down to 242,919. So I'm going to clear. And still, I think we can still find some links that look alike in here. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut the HTTPS links. After cutting them, we're going to pass them through HTTPX EX, then the status code. And then what we're going to do, we're going to save them out to 1.2. It was supposed to be saved in this, but I think this, let's just put this to 2. Then we run it. So as you can see, some of them, or rather most of them, are 4.3, 4.3 ones. I've seen a few of 200s, the ones that were lighting up its green. So as this is going, you can come here to Indeed.com. We try to search for a job, let's say programming. Or let's just go with this one, production. Let's do New York. And let's search. So it's searching. So the first thing you see here, it has searched for something called production and a state called New York, of which I think up here, yes, the job query is production and New York. If I change here, let's say maybe New Jersey. So it changes here. What if we try to put in some of the basic vulnerabilities? Let's say, let's start with something like let's do XSS and try to see. Instead of New Jersey, you're going to write here script. Let's do prompt, or let's do print. Then we close that script. Close that script. If I run it, let's see what happens. So it just takes this and also this here, class ny. So let me just remove this and just run it. It will remove this ny here. Yeah, it just removes. And for some reason, it closes the script. So let's try this. Let's try to close the script first. And now run it. So it just closes the whole script. That's interesting. So it closes the whole script. Let's see, what else can we try here? Maybe we can try to look for something like an SSTI. So let's try this. So for SSTI, what you can just write is just this. If you don't know SSTI, please go look it up. Or if you do want me to do something on SSTI, just write in the comments. Maybe we'll do something. Probably we'll do something. So let's run that. If it gives us, so it gives us a 400 status, meaning that SSTI mostly is being sanitized very, very well on Indeed. Because even if you saw the other video, I tried SSTI on some place and it didn't work. So let's try to copy this script. So to copy it on this side. So that doesn't work. What if I try now? Since I see here the search something something, what if I try script, then the whole of this to be on this other side? So I'll just cut this out, then search it like that. So here it has removed the script part, the greater than or smaller or less than part. But let's see, let's try to do something here again. Let's try this, this, and this, then this, and just run it. So again, it closes up the script part. So what if I try like an image one? Let's see, image source equals to random, then on error equals to, let's do a prompt, then let's search for that. You just have to try everything, you just have to try everything. So the image source, nothing is working on it. This other side, let's try again to write script. Image source, and look up here. The S, how come the S is given and on error? So let's try that. Let's see. Again, nothing really works. So the next thing I want to do, I want to try and sign in into this stuff. But let's see. This one's already done, and most of the links have just been for 3 links. I think that's because of the Cloudflare, but we still have some 200 ones. So, and we have some 3 ones. And remember, it's all HTTPS. It's all HTTPS. So I'm going to sort out the 200 ones. To do that, I'm going to cut the 1.2 point, what's it called? The sorted HTTPX results to. Then I'm going to grep the 200 ones. So these are all the 200 ones. I can grep out 3 ones. Let's see if there are any 3 ones here. Okay. So grep 200, then grep -v 31, and also again grep -v 403. So we have all this here, the 200 ones. And this, as you can see, this one is just indeed.com, apply, then there's a number, then S, here direct. There are 3 of them here. Again, there are others here, as you can see. It's just the same link. So what I'm going to do, after greping out, I'm going to awk it. So awk, curly braces, then you print the $1. Okay. After printing that, I want to save it out. So I'll new to, yes, say 1.2.200 links .txt and enter. Now on this, I'm just going to do a mousepad. I'm going to do a mousepad of 1.2 the 200 links. So here on mousepad, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all of these, just remove. I just want only one of them. So where's the other ones? There's an API here. Let's do these ones here. Just remove them. So remove number 10. Also remove these. So there's some JS here. I think I'm going to leave them for now. Then let's see what else. Indeed.com apply static. Okay, that's different. There's an Ajax here. That's good. We have to remember that. It's an Ajax logo. We can try to open this and see what it will show us. So I've copied it. I'm going to open it. Let's see what else. So we save that and close it. So what I'm going to do now on this, I'm going to cut them out and then do another crawl on them. So way back URLs. Then we are new to 1.3 point new crawl .txt and then to run them. So it's still going to look for something else in those. Again, these are just the same thing. Or let it run, let it run, let it run. So the other link that I copied, I'm going to open it here. So Ajax logger, this some link. This is a script. Variable self this URL, CSRF token, use beacon console Ajax logger. If you're going through, you can go through this and read. I'm not going to read it all right at the moment. I'm just going to see if I can inject some things here. Let's see. What if we write something random? Nothing happens. What if we take like a script? Just place it there. We are forbidden. Meaning maybe it can work, but we are forbidden because of Cloudflare, probably. So let's say I close all these. Let's try to do something else like this. Again. So let's take 7 by 7. I think will be forbidden again. Oh, it doesn't forbid us. Let's see. So let's see the code. Control Shift I. Let's do the inspector, the body. So even this here doesn't really show up in the code. Let me search and see. There are no matches. Let's search for 49. There are no matches. So let's try to see if we can redirect this. So https / let's just try google.com. So it doesn't redirect. We can try to use JavaScript to see. So let's write JavaScript. Let's do this. Then window dot location. So let's do this and this to the end. close it and close the brackets. Let's see if that works. Again, we are forbidden, meaning it might work, but we are forbidden, which is still okay. Osmotic filters have been activated. What the hell is that? So we just have that only here in the head, just forbidden. Okay. Okay. So let's go back to this. So here there are resume associates. Let's see this one here. And remember, I still haven't signed in. I was just still doing some things on the outside. So again, these are too much of the same things. Like there's an API user requisitions. Let's just try to open one and see if it will open or not. Again, I'll take these ones here, so I'll cut them and then use URL, then a new to 1.2 or other 1.3 with 200 links. 1.3 tab, then 1.3 point sorted, call, then run it. Did I write the right thing? Uro or new? But still he hasn't done what I wanted. So I think we'll just have to do them manually. So again, I'm going just to roll out these, then mousepad. Then here, starting from the beginning, going to go here on number 3. We'll leave that one. So indeed, something HL. I'll just leave those ones. Let's come here to ads.com. Well. Yes, there are others the same, but when you come to the end, they're different. Yes, they're a bit different. Job role, also different. So there's a sign up somewhere here. Let's see, this one that has a number. Let's see if that one will open up. So this other API has opened up, I think. So let's see if these ads will open up. An error on bug. I don't think it's my internet. Is it my internet? I think my bot suite has a problem. Let's see. Let's see here if we disable. So if I disable it, it works. But if I enable it, okay, I think we're back in business. So let's reload this. So this is ads.indeed.com. Sign up, campaigns, something. So it just takes us back into the sign-in of indeed.com. It has just redirected us to the sign-in. Let's see, let's go back here. I wanted to see, okay, here there's a search box here. Let's search for something like Mac. So search, nothing is reflected on the screen. Again, let's try. Okay, let's try to search for that. Doesn't come up. So here it's a search query. So the search query always tests for XSS. Always test for XSS. So I'm going to try. Let's do the image source again. Image source equals to random. Then let's do on error equals to, let's do print. Just run it. So again, nothing happens. That's because I think Indeed is a very big organization and it has had its bug bounty program for a long time. So most of the XSS have already been found. So these days it's not that easy to find XSS on these on programs like this. What I've been looking for lately is the SSTI. As you have probably noticed, I just love looking for SSTIs. Just love looking for SSTIs. Let's go back to the home. Don't know why my internet is a bit slower now. Let's see. Let's see, just a minute. Okay, I think now it's good. Let's see, post your resume. Remember to always go into almost every link you see on the screen. For that, I must log in for that. Let's see, what if I post a job? So post a job. So there's a sign in here, there's a start hiring, but if I go up, there's this post a job. Let's see what it will tell me. Again, log in. So we need the authentication for those to work. Let's try to register now. Indeed, future works. So this one sold out. Let's try the virtual one. So on logging on, not on login, on sign up page, here on the first name, I'm just going to put in some SSTI payloads. Let's do like 7x7. 7x8 is okay. On this other one, I'll just do like let's check. Let's take like 999 plus 1 business. Okay, we're going to come back to that. Company, let's do like, let me try to find my SSTI payloads. So we're coming back to this. So LCD, then CD into documents, then word lists, then payload of the things, then SSTI, then intruder, FILS, and then cut the SSTI. So these are some of the SSTI payloads, I mean. So we can try this one here, file open, here. Let's copy that, come here, paste it on the company. city, we can paste another payload. Let's do like let's again try this. The good news about, or the better thing why I like SSTI is because if you find SSTI, you can probably do command injection, you can do LFI with them, you can do almost everything with them. Like for example, this is an SSTI payload, but it will do an LFI and try to cut Etsy password. So these are the things I don't know why they are off. Don't know why I can't do them. So here on the business email address, I'm just going to look for temporary mail. I'm just going to find a temp mail. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, temporary mail. Just the first link, it doesn't matter where it comes from. Just try to log in with this and see. So it's loading here, I think. So we have this one here. I'm going to copy it. Then I'll come back here and paste it in. Okay, now before I press next, I'm going here. If you remember what I've taught you in the back suite, you'll go to target, then scope, then add indeed.com, include the subdomains, click OK, then come to the proxy, intercept, put it on, come back here and click next. So WebSockets, I'm going to drop this. I think this is the one. Let me see up here. Input something something something. Post version 1 input. Before I save indeed feature works. Okay. User date application. I'm just going to send this to repeater. Document version 17. Okay, event ID duration. Okay, so I think I'm going to forward this one. Okay. So I'll come back here to repeater. If I send this request, I get a 200 okay. But I didn't see where I placed my names and all that other stuff. Registration, something, something. Okay, let's come back here and see. If I click next, I'm taken here. Then option, what's your current age? Then in here, I can also try to input another. Let me see. Request attribute application, something, something. And let's just try a simple one. Okay, value, something, something. Let's just try to do this one again. Come and paste it here. Confirms provided this form is accurate. Then again, I'm going to intercept it. So I'll intercept it. Sorry. No, come on. Let's just submit this. Don't know if it works. Let's see here. If we drop this session, drop that, drop that, drop that. So here, input something, something. Let's see if it works. I'm looking for some place where my details that I've written. So action submit, user action, application, session ID, event. Again, this I'm going to send to repeater again. Application ID, session ID. Let's see what the repeater does. I send this. So content type is application. Content length is 58 here. Content length here is 2. And security fetch site is cross site. I think that's because this one is not in this one here. You can even take this endpoint. So Control C. So this one here isn't part of Indeed. I don't think it's part of Indeed. So the host is this one here. So it's not part of Indeed. We've just been referred somewhere here. Indeed FutureWorks has referred us to this host. That's why I think there's this security feature. Security fetch sites. Okay. So let me just take this off and try just to submit this as it is. So there's a captcha here. I'm not a robot. So I'll submit. Don't know if I'm supposed to be taken to the next thing or intercept first, then submit. So crosswalks here and here and here and here and here and verify and submit. Don't know why I'm still being taken back to this. Why am I being taken back to this? So it really doesn't make even any sense because I don't think I have, well, let me see, maybe I have an email. There's no email in here. There is no email in here. But apparently register the file that he provided is accurate. And why is it not submitting? So the captcha. Let's verify it and submit. Nothing's happening, nothing's happening. Let's try to do this again here and submit. Not a robot. And submit. What is happening? Is my intercept on? Oh yeah, intercept is on. Let's do that again. So bridges, bridge. Is there another bridge here? Verify. Submit. Again, nothing is happening. So I want to just go through that over and over again. Oh no, I've closed the temporal mail, but it's okay. Could just try to look for another one. So temp mail. So I want to sign in. I want to sign in and see the functions that are in Indeed. So as this is loading, I'll just go in here and let's just go to sign in. Let's go to sign in. Then in here, I'm going to just take this temporary mail, copy it, come back here, paste it, then continue. Then password, I'm just going to write random. Then I'm going to verify success, then create account. So no username, okay, don't save. So here I'm being told, okay, so I need to do like, to add in like letters and numbers all together and some characters. Okay, so we verify, then you create account. Don't save this one. So add your phone number. Let's see. What if I put in here an SSTI? Let's just take the one from this one here. Let's just do this one. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Now I have to start all over again. Oh, what the heck is this? Or did it just sign me in without the number? Yes, it signed me in without the number. Which is still fine, which is still fine. So let's see what the temporal mail. So Indeed support, verify. This is your email before using Indeed. So let's just wait for it. I think it's still loading. Okay. So we're going to open this in a new tab to just verify. Okay, so the email address has been confirmed. So your company's name, I'm just going to put in SSTI in here. Add a company name. Let's just say 1 to something. First name, let's just put in SSTI code. The simple ones. Are you a hiring manager? Let's just say yes. Your phone number. Okay, let's go to temporary phone numbers. Temporary phone numbers. I hope the video isn't slow. So I'm going to write United States. Then I don't want to write phone number. How did I even get here? It's been written here free, but you have to buy them. Don't want that, man. Temporary phone numbers. Okay, let's do this one, the first. Oh no. Okay, let's just do the first one. I didn't know +13 was for US. Thought +12 was for US. Okay. So we've copied that. We're going to go back here, paste it here. Then let me just say this by clicking, okay, and continue. So job title again, I'm just going to put in SSTI in here. But remember, I'll have to delete this account later on. I won't just leave it. I won't just leave it. People I'm going to hire, let's just say 4. For now, I'm just going to use that street address. Let me just do this one. Continue. We don't recognize this location. Okay. Let me just write New York. It's okay. Then we continue. So I'm not going to start a job right now. Just going to see my, let's see the page. I wanted to see my profile. Okay, here. So we are now inside profile.indeed.com. I think that was described in here somewhere. Let's see. So it isn't here. But let's see what we can do in here. Players can find you on Indeed. Players can find you on Indeed. Just save it. Skip for now. I just want to see. No. Here on add my name. Again, just going to do that. Here, going to use. I thought I had already written the phone number. I'm just going to copy this. Come back here, paste it here. Okay, street address. Let's just do again the SSTI. So I'm using the ones that will cut. Control V, okay. Here I want to use the other one, so I'll do postal code. Let's just say 100 or 1080. So here, as you can see, it doesn't work. This 8x8, that's not what I wanted. So probably SSTI isn't working because if it was, it would have been given here something. Even this one could have been 701 instead of 700 plus 1. What else? So I can still change. Let's try to put in like image source equals to random on error equals to let's do print. Okay, let's change it to that and see. So we're just still being given that. Oh, I didn't close it. Let's see if I close it. Rather, let me even try to make it a link. So I'll do an a href equals to, and I'm going to put this in that. Then I'm going to close it. Then write like sum and close this. So slash a. So if this works, this will mean that HTML injection works, and also if it works again, we'll get the XSS error. So if I save it, so it just prints out the whole thing instead of printing out some. I wanted it to print just out some, so that when I click some, I get that XSS working. So again, that doesn't work there. Let's try to put it into these other places. Again, I'll just copy this v v v v, then just save. Postal code is wrong, so just leave it like that. Postal code and your city doesn't match. But how come when I place it like this, it works? Eight by eight. Okay. Let's try that again. So 8 by 8 apparently works. Which one was up here? So I'm just going back in here. Let's take something like this one here. Then come back here. There's a street address, I didn't see that. Then save it. That doesn't really. Okay, 7 by 7. Let's see. There's something. This one, I can't see this one. Can't see that one anywhere here. Okay, let's see again. So I'm going up here. Let's say I'll just write some, then hashtag, then this one. let's say just write like Zeus. Okay, we're gonna print, let's say print. Now this is the problem why I don't like doing like everything on YouTube, because it will take a lot of time, because I've only spent like, I don't think it's been an hour yet, but still look, I've gotten nowhere and I still have a long way to go. This is just only one place. This is just only one place. So again, oh, there was something I wanted to look in here. So what if I write just random things in here and just do this? If I save them, it does save, but it does nothing. Okay, let's see again what else here. Let's see on the resume. Let's also see if we can try to upload something. Resume view. I want to see if I can upload something. So here is the messages. Here are the messages. Come on, come on, come on. So here, this is what I wanted. Upload your resume. Okay, so let's upload again. So in here, we want to go documents. Let me just put it in here. So on my terminal, I'll clear. Then I'll cd into the documents, then code. Then I'm going to create some files. So on the first file, going to nano image source. Image source equals to on error equals to, let's say, prompt whichever dot txt. Let's see. Okay, so what I have to do, I'm just going to remove this one here. Okay, so that works. If I ls, let me just write here hello, or even I can just write here the whole code. On error equals to prompts let's write 2024, then close it. So I'm going to open the folder, then here I'm going to rename it. I think I'll just have to rename it manually. Error equals to, let's prompt 2025, so that I'll know the difference between the other one. this one, then I'm going to close it, then I'm going to rename. Then if that doesn't work, I'm going to rename this one. So let's just say cd again, then cd, this one, then cut. Let's try to cut, where is it? Let's just see if the etc will work. So this one I'm going to rename it. No, it's supposed to be up here. Then I rename it to that. So directory separator illegal in file name. It's okay. Just delete this. Then we'll just try to upload this. See if it will work. Upload file is too small. So file must be larger than 1 KB. Okay, to do that, I'll just copy all of these in there. Just copy, then I'll open. Go into the documents, code, open this, then paste, Control S to save. I think now it's more than 1 KB. Yes, 7 KB. Okay, so we'll come back here, try to upload again. Let's see, it's uploading. So I thought the XSS would work on this, but it hasn't. Let's see. So let's try to use bug to intercept the reload to see. Profile.indeed, okay. No. Repeat. So if I send that request, I get all these 200, okay. Window proctor groups. Also confirm a few of your details as make all of these versions up to date. Let's see. Script indeed config application JSON is employer calls whatever. Primary. I thought it was going to read through my ad block detection. I thought it was going to read through my resume and find all those SSTI payloads and maybe give me something in here, but I can't see anything useful. So country US, production hosted ID, is mobile, okay, unused hash table. Then there's my user agent. Let's see the content length. How big is it? How big it is? Ish. Content. Okay, there's no content length here. So in here, let's see. What if we wrap all of these and just put in like 3 by 3 and send it. We still get these. Let's search for this. 0 matches. What about 9? 461 matches. Let's see. or rather let me just try to find a very specific number. So let's do like 300 times 3. That will give me, is it 900? So here I'll just search for 900. So 0 matches, meaning that doesn't work. Okay, so let's see. We're going to put the intercept off, go back here. You can't read your file. We recommend that you create an Indeed resume instead. It's okay. Now in this Indeed document, I'm just going to insert a lot of payloads, whether it's XSS. What is your name? My name is image source. My last name is that. Continue. Continue. Code must be of 5. Okay, so let's take the code of New York. So 180. Continue. Level of education, I'm just going to put like let's do 8,000 or 8,999 plus 1. Field of study, just going to put stats everywhere. So I'm going to change this to times. This one I'm going to use also times. I don't like that. Okay, so let's save that. So again, it doesn't do anything. It should have been given me some whole numbers in here. So let's just continue, see what we have. Consider removing salary. Oh, that's interesting. Consider removing. We detected there may be salary in the job title. Don't want to know that. Just want my code to work. Okay. The United States, city state. And just do that. Currently work here. Say from October 2022. Present. Description. So I'm going to put that and that. And maybe a little bit of XSS. The script and slash script. Let's do print. Also here I'm going to take these ones. Just take this one to give me a whole number, then save. It's okay. Continue, let's see. Just that, continue. Is your resume ready? Okay, just looking for something that has a whole number. Nothing. Let's see the suggestions they're giving me. Upload a resume file, use a PDF to dot. Okay, so I'm going back to the documents code. So here, I'm going to change it. I'm going to rename it instead of txt to pdf and rename, then upload it. Let's see what will happen. Nice work, no issues were found. We found 105 ways to improve your resume. The resume is submitted. Let's edit this resume and see. Let's see what it's going to tell us. Here on links, what can I add? Let's try to see if we can add an ahref. It's supposed to be /a. So in here, I'll just write use. So I'm going to do ahref equals to let's do google.com, then use which is fine, then save it. The changes were not saved. Try again. I think it has noticed this ahref. So what we can do, let's try to use JavaScript. Window dot location is equal to google.com. Save it. Then something went wrong. But if I do just google.com, it should probably work. Yes, that just works. That works. Let's try to do something else. So Control A, let's do some SSTI here and see. So I'll do 7 by 7. Try to save it. Let's see .com. So that doesn't work. So what else can I try to do? So I'll come back to my profile. We just delete all this. So when I do /resume, we will taken into the resume. So what can I do here? I can try to do this one. Is it this one here? Just try to put it in here. Don't know where we've been redirected. Okay, we can't find this page, which is found. So indeed.com, we've been redirected to not found. So what if we do not found, then hash, then ls, well, command injection. What has happened? Okay, so again, nothing has been found there. And then return home just goes back to indeed.com. So we're back here, but we are logged in. So let's again try to search for this. Jobs query. The search jobs in did not match. Again, it's just they're cancelling out the script, and also this one here. So what if I also do what they want me to do? So / script. Let's see. Again, nothing happens. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So I don't know how long this video has gotten. But I guess you've been learning something of how people tirelessly go around finding vulnerabilities. It's not an easy task, honestly. It is not an easy task. Let's see. What's happening? Why is my profile not opening up? Okay, let's see settings. So please do verification sent to that email. Okay, let's go back here. Come on, load up there first. So 849611. So where is it? Where is it? Eight 44691. I think that was it. Or did I get it from 849611? 849611. My email and my phone number isn't here. Account settings. Okay, device management. Let's try to change the account type and see if some of the things will apply. And save. As you can see up here, if it worked, if the PHP worked, I don't know if this site uses PHP. So it uses GraphQL and TypeScript as the programming languages. I think that's why the PHP didn't work here. But if it worked, we could have seen my ID in here. Let's try to see this here into the inbox. So I'm going to reload this, then send to repeater. If I send this 200, okay, the cookie domain indeed.com, okay, transport security, okay, there's the same origin here, https indeed.com, strict transport, okay, there's Cloudflare, which is fine, script data source, okay. So I want to see if let's see, seen something like employer somewhere here. There's indeed employers.com jobs. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to open it somewhere. So I'll come back here. I want to know if my details have been written in here. Let's see. I hope they've been written somewhere in here. Hopefully they've been written. Let me just search PHP. Yeah, expand group PHP. So employer account owner, the email is here, advertise PHP something, current rule. Okay, so back here, I want to try to see if I can do something on idle front end. Let me just take all of this up to here. Then I'm going to do Control Shift U to decode. So indeed.com pipeline something nav gnav tk, I don't know what that means. From, let's say, in here, device ID. Okay, device ID is also here. I'm looking for somewhere where they've written like an ID, PPID, I don't know, this is collector ID, is nav, secondary collector ID, resume entry points. Don't know if I change this, hopefully an idle will occur. So let's send that. I still get a 200. Okay, let's see if I search this. It's still me, so that doesn't really help out at any. So cookie, device ID here is different than the other one, device ID is different than the other one. There's a CSRF token in here. Let me remove it. Then send. Okay, we still get this even without the CSRF. Data element name. The user agent. Let's see, where can I insert something in here? User type. Let me just take all of this up to here. Out. The message here I want to do like 8 by 8. Let's send that. Get a bad request. What if we do script? Then here we prompt. Then slash script. Then send. So apparently I'm getting a bit tired. I can't continue with this right now. We haven't even touched. Let's clear this. So we cd, then we cd into the documents. Indeed, then we FLS, then if we cut, which one was the last one? Which one was the last one? I think the 1.3 was the last one. So cut the 1.3 sorted crawl, then WC word count -L to see how many there are. There are 1322. And if we just cut them, this is all we have. There's an API here. Let me try to open it and see. Because I think I've logged in now. I think these others will have my account logged in. Oh, the intercept is still on, so I'm going to take it off. Come back here. Try to reload this API. Don't know why nothing is happening, but let's see. Control Shift I, go into the network, see what's being sent. So we'll load. So only that one. Okay, there's another one. Just favicons. If there's anything else being loaded. Oh, getting even hungry now. Okay, so let's see what else here. These ads that indeed is a lot of them. I haven't even tried to search for SQL. Haven't even tried. Let's see this sitemap here. Ads.indeed.com. Let's try also this one here. So the page you're looking for was not found. Return home. And where is home? Ads.indeed.com. Let's see what ads.indeed.com will take us to. So here, this is employers.indeed.com, jobs claimed, something, something. Open and post. You can post a job here. Okay, so ads.indeed.com just takes us to a page where we can post the jobs. We can also try to post a job and include some payloads in it. And remember, from the start, I've only tried two vulnerabilities. That is XSS and SSTI mostly. But we'll see if not, probably not today. But I don't know even if I'll do another video of Indeed. But if I do, I'll show you some other vulnerabilities, searching for them. These we've only been searching for XSS and SSTIs. So let me see if my video is even recording. Yeah. So yes, it's still recording. It's 1 hour 18 minutes. Because this is the second video. The first video was like 14 minutes. That's why maybe the video will be even longer. So let's see. So let's first, this is the last thing I want to try to do. So I'll cd, not cd. I'll do, or even let's try some command injections. So ls, or rather, who am I? Then just close it. Select an option. Let's just say one. Doesn't matter. Street address. Let's just write New York for now. Okay, now this one I want to intercept it. So intercept on, and come down here and continue. So API something something onehostindeed.com. So advertisement number false something 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 somethings. Whoa, this is too much. Let's see. Let's see if we'll have something. I'm trying to see if the details that I've written are in here. I can see it. So let's say if I type in here, who am I? there's nothing, but let's just send this to repeater. So Control R, repeater. If I send this through, we get a 200 OK, and an OK down here. Okay, just take the intercept off, let it load. Something's not right. We're having trouble saving information. Wait a moment and try again. So describe the job. Let's say it's part-time, whichever, fixed hours. Okay. In here, I'm going to put an XSS. So which XSS? Let me look for the payloads containing XSS. So we'll do CD and CD into the documents, word lists. We'll load all the things, then XSS, then include. Then if we're less, let's see, brute logic. Let's try the Jadix XSS. If you don't know Jadix, you should look him up. He's a good bug bounty hunter, and I think malware analyst or something like that. I think his name is John Hammond. I'm not really sure. So if we cut the Jadix, so these are his XSS scripts. I always use just the simple ones, but let's try to use especially something like this one here. The script function, yada yada yada. Okay, I think it goes up to here. Copy, come on, paste it here. Let me just leave it like that. Okay. Okay. Then let's preview it. Okay, let's continue. So script function, and click function, define. Let me edit this instead of on click. Let's write on mouse over. Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, let me just write let's say svg only equals to onload equals to prompt then done. Okay, let's confirm it and see. Something's not right. Well, let's try to intercept this and see. So intercept on here, confirm here, send to repeater. On repeater, try to send it. Get a 200 OK, Cloudflare OK. but still nothing is happening. So I think I'm just going to end the video here. I'm probably going to delete this account and delete everything about it. After I've done some few other things, I want to search for some few other vulnerabilities on it. I hope you had a taste of what is to be done. It's not an easy task. It's not just going in and placing in some payloads and just getting the vulnerability. Bug bounty hunting is a very, 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 very hard thing to do. But as long as you have the passion to do it, you'll probably end up getting a vuln. Okay? So with that, this is Algorithm signing off. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.